If you want to remove people from a photo on Samsung Galaxy A27, then in that case you want to open Gallery. Now, once you open Gallery, we want to open the photo that we want to edit. So let's say I'm going to choose this one as an example. We're going to tap on this pen at the bottom of the screen. Then we want to use these circles here on the right side. And then you want to go to the Object Eraser. Now we need to wait for suggestions to appear. And of course, if suggestions highlight people, then of course you can use that in order to erase them from your photo. If not, then you can, for example, draw a shape around every person over here. And once it is highlighted, you can just tap on Erase and then wait for the result. Of course, you can select multiple people at once. So let's say I'm going to select that person over here. Then I'm going to also select that person here. There we go. I'm going to also select that person and this one over here. There we go. Now, besides that, you might find something left after removing a person. So in that case, we can still select that object as well. And then we can tap on Erase to get rid of everyone. There we go. In my case, I actually did something wrong in here. There's definitely a better job to be done. We can still undo, and we can erase one by one in case something went wrong. So as you can see, we can easily fix our mistakes in case something happened that shouldn't happen. And we can just keep going one by one to try to remove everything and that we don't want to have on our photo. Once you are done, just tap on the done here at the bottom of the screen. And then we can save our photo. So you can tap save to replace the original one, or tap on these three dots to save as a copy so you can keep the original photo. Leave a like and subscribe.